Good day, ma'am. I'm Jerome Feliciano. We are the Group 3. The title of the case is Malamig na Resback. Case information, the date of crime was on June 28, 1993, and the body found in Rahis Farm on June 29, 1993. The victim is Mary Aileen Sarmenta na ginhasa at pinatay kasama si Allen Gomez na kanyang kasintahan na nakita sa loob ng Tamarauban sa Barangay Mabacan, Calauan, Laguna. Si Aurelio Cemento at Vicencio Malabanan ang lumutang na testigo sa nasabing krimen na itinuro ang noong mayor na si Antonio Sanchez at ang anim nitong bodyguard na si George Belvidria, Balvin Brayon, Pepito Kawit, Sholo Ama at ang magkapatid na si Rogelio Boy Corcolon at Luis Corcolon.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Jalaluddin A. Madado, the presenter of Forensic Analysis Report. According to the findings of post-mortem examination in medical legal, there is a sexual contact to Mary because of a sperm and breast laceration in her hymen. In Alan's body, according to ballistic examination, they find out that there were 2 gunshot wounds to him, one in the back and in his head that penetrated to his brain, and that was the reason for his death. In the process of investigation, the theory was further strengthened when another empty shell of the M16 rifle found near where Alan's body was found. It was immediately submitted to the Calauan Police PNP, which was immediately subjected to a ballistic examination, and it's revealed that the Firearms Identification Divisions of Crime Lab that the empty bullet shell found near in the body of Alan Gomez and M16 empty bullet shell inside Damaraw F expired in the same M16 rifle.
On March 14, 1995, Pasig Judge Harriet Demetriou concluded the 16th-month Sarmenta Gomez murder trial with the finding that Calauan Mayor Antonio Sanchez and several henchmen were guilty of raping and murdering Sarmenta and killing Sarmenta's friend. Demetriou, in her 132-page decision, described the crime as being born out of a plot seemingly hatched in hell. Sanchez is currently serving 7 terms of reclusion perpetua for the crime. On January 25, 1999, the Philippine Supreme Court affirmed the decision of the Regional Trial Court. On August 29, 1999, Sanchez was given a double life term by the Supreme Court for a different case. Together with his 7 life terms for the Sarmenta Gomez murder, Sanchez will have to spend a total of 360 years in jail.
Alexander Navarro. Case status. Recently reported that Mr. Sanchez possibly out in prison because of the Good Conduct Allowance Law.
The family of 2 victims didn't agree to the report that ex-mayor of Calauan, Laguna should be given chance to come out in a prison by Good Conduct Allowance Law. The President Rodrigo Duterte has fired Bureau of Correction Chief Nicanor Faeldon after latter approved the release of Sanchez, who committed in the June 1993 rape and murder of Aileen Sarmenta and Alan Gomez.